What's going on, everyone? Chase with Shinify here, and today we're going to be talking about how I started earning over $5,000 a month with HighLevel's affiliate program, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing if you get started today, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you any results. I'm not going to say that you're going to earn this in your first month, but what I am saying is that if you do what I'm going to share with you, you're going to greatly increase your chances of earning money. Now, if you've never seen HighLevel before, it's a CRM that lets you manage your leads, build landing pages, send texts. It does a bunch of cool stuff. And I'm going to give you a 30-day trial, free trial to HighLevel below this video, along with all of my automations, which will allow you to do the exact same thing I'm doing. So I've basically created a strategy where everything that I'm doing to send traffic is literally just using copy and paste templates. So I'm creating videos with copy and paste templates. I'm using emails that you can start using that are pretty much copy and paste. Everything in here that you're going to be able to get started with today is copy and paste, okay? So before I dive into it, do me a favor, respond with the word yes in the comments right now. It lets me know to make more videos like this for you in the future. It also helps this video get more reach. So please just leave a yes really quick in the comments. All right, so let's talk about the strategy, and then I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste the strategy so that you can get started with it as well. So first of all, what I'm doing is short form videos. Now, short form videos are basically videos that are under 60 seconds long, and I'm doing about 10 to 20 of these videos a day. Now, I'm not personally doing them. I have my team do them, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing in a second. But number two, I'm scheduling out this content so that it posts on multiple social media platforms. I mainly focus on Instagram and Facebook pages. Then I'm following up with the leads that we're getting from this content with a tool that automatically DMs people my link to my funnel that, again, I'm going to give you in a second here. And then when they go to enter their email to the funnel, I'm using HighLevel to follow up with those leads by sending them emails and texts. And that's pretty much it. That's how I'm sending traffic. That's how I'm sending thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of clicks every single month with automation. Okay, so I'm going to again show you exactly what you need to do this exact same process. And I'm going to show you how easy this is, even if you're starting out as a beginner. Let's start out by heading over to my Instagram page so you can see kind of how I'm doing these videos, because the videos are really the very first thing that you need to get started with. Now, if you don't have an Instagram page or a Facebook page, you can make one. It's very simple. If you want to go and find these pages like I do, I actually have a team that goes and reaches out to people and offers them money for their brands. You can do that as well. We basically just have a team in the Philippines go and search for different profiles around AI or around money or automation, and we offer around $500 to $1,000 for those brands, and then we will actually put our content on those brands. Now, the advantage of this is that you don't have to warm up your account. If you're starting out and you don't have any followers, it usually takes a month or two before you start to see some leads coming in, just because brand new profiles have to be warmed up. That means you have to post content consistently. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't get followers and leads right away with an account. It just means you're less likely. And if you're starting out and you don't have a lot of views on your videos, it's not because there's anything wrong necessarily with your content. It just means that you haven't really warmed up your account yet. But whether you go and find a brand to buy or you start posting on your own account, either way, I do recommend that you do start posting content, because not posting content is really a lost opportunity, especially if you can automate your content. So let's look at some of the videos that we're doing here on our profile. And again, this is one of our many profiles. We have about 40 different profiles and pages that we post to. Again, all automatically. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. But here you can see if I click on Reels, these are all Reels that are basically a variation of the same video that we're making over and over and over. And that video is, this is the easiest way to get started earning $1,000 a day in 2024. What we do is we use robots to send traffic to things, And then we say comment with the word AI if you want to learn more. And then when people comment, we use a robot to follow up with those people and send them our links. Now you might be thinking, I don't want to talk about earning money because I haven't earned that much money yet online. Now you don't have to talk about earning money. You can talk about getting leads. And so there's plenty of people that create content about generating leads that get views, and the audience is very similar, right? So I could say, here's how you get 1,000 leads a day, or here's how you make $1,000 a day. It doesn't really matter. And you might even also say, well, I don't know how to get leads either. Look, just lead with something that you do know. If you know how to get 1,000 followers, or you know how to get $1,000 in sales for something, the content doesn't really matter too much as long as it's relevant, right? Maybe you know how to get 1,000 views. You could say the easiest way to get 1,000 views is to use this strategy. And it doesn't even have to be AI. So what I'm saying is don't get hung up on the content part as much as, you might think that you should. The thing is, as long as you can do a video and show people how to do something and then send them somewhere and say, hey, if you want my full strategy, go leave a comment with the word, viral or whatever you're promoting, they're going to leave a comment and then your robot's going to send them to a training. Okay. So let me just show you what these comments look like. You can see if I click on this, click on view all comments, these are all people leaving the word AI. Okay. Now, normally with most of my accounts, you'll see a response here from the account. I get so many comments on this account here that I can't even reply to the comments anymore because but the DMs still send. So if I look at the messages on this account, you'll see like thousands and thousands of messages that get sent every single day. Now, where they get sent is to a landing page that looks like this. And basically, let me just show you what the message looks like here. All we're saying in the message is if you're interested in, look at this, 194,000 messages sent just on Instagram. It says, hey, Instagram username, I just did a brand new free training showing you how to do X, right? Now, if you're going to be showing them how to do, 1,000 views a day instead of $1,000 a day, you would just change this out. Go check it out right now for free. And then there's a button, and then the button goes to the link here. And the link is the opt-in page. Now, remember, when you get the free trial to HighLevel, I'm going to be giving you a page that looks like this. Okay. And ideally, what's going to happen is you're just going to set up this simple landing page by cloning it into your account. It's actually called a snapshot. You're going to import the snapshot into your account. And then this is just going to be swapped out with your brand. Okay. So when they click on send it to me, you would have this landing page that kind of looks like this. I have a different landing page that I'm giving you just because this one's hosted on HighLevel. But you're going to just put your brand in here, and you can even use my training. I don't care. If you don't want to create your own training, you can use my training here. And you can see this one says, here's how you get 3,000 leads per day. And then it just shows them a quick training I did. And then they click here to get their 30-day trial. Now you might be on this page or a page that looks similar to this. You would just basically do this exact same thing. And whenever they sign up, you're going to basically get a commission. Okay. And so again, all we're doing is we're doing a video that gets views. We're using a robot to take all the comments and we're sending them to a link that looks like this. And then all we have to do from there is wait 30 days for this trial to convert. And so right now I'll show you, I'm getting about every single month. This month, I'm actually going to have over 1,000 trials, but this is 943 times whatever the plan is. It's 297 after the 30 days. And so if I multiply that by my percentage here, which is times 0.4, and I actually just lost that calculation. Let me do it one more time. 297 times 0.4. That's $112,000 in reoccurring revenue potentially if these leads convert. Now, the conversions probably won't be that high. Let's say, I don't know, they're like 30%, which I think is their average, 0.3. That's $33,000 that it's going to hit next month on top of the current affiliate that I have as well. Okay. So again, that's just potential. We don't know if that is going to convert or not at that rate. But again, like this is your potential upside if you get a lot of people in. And again, it's monthly reoccurring. So the cool thing about affiliate is you don't have any customers. You don't have any, clients. You don't have to manage any services. You literally just get people on a plan, and they pay every single month, and then you get a commission. And I'll show you, like, my commissions are starting to go up more now since I started promoting last month. I'm starting to have days that are, $1,000 days. And again, I don't have to deal with the customers. I don't have to fulfill anything. It's all automated. So not only is the videos automated and the follow-up and everything else, but so is the reoccurring revenue. And again, it's taking a second to load. I'll let that load in the background while I show you this next thing. So basically, once you start getting people in on the email sign up, right, because they're going to enter their email, then you're going to put them in automatically into your funnel that you build out in HighLevel, which I've already built for you. So what does that mean? Basically, you would clone the snapshot into your account. And the way you do that, we have a tutorial for it, by the way. When you grab the trial, you'll get an email. Let me actually show you the exact email here. But you're going to get an email that basically shows you how to set up this funnel. So this is what happens when you get the new trial. You get a welcome email. It'll go to your inbox. It says step 1, schedule a free kickoff call. This just lets HighLevel help you. It's like normally a $297 thing. They give it to you for free when you get the trial. And this is just like you get on a kickoff call with HighLevel. They help walk you through getting your account set up. You should definitely take that if you're new to HighLevel. And then the bonus here is the 10-step checklist, where it walks you through everything you need to do. Let me show you what this looks like here. It walks you through everything you have to do to get set up. So you import our snapshot here. This is the snapshot. When you import the snapshot, it basically gives you our exact account that we already have. And so you get all of these automations here. You get all the backend follow-up. You get our funnels. You get everything. If I go to sites here, you can basically swap out all of these things, the opt-in, whatever you want, with your video or your training or your brand, and then you can start selling HighLevel as an affiliate, just like this, because you're going to get this exact funnel. And so this is really, really cool, right? Because now you don't have to go and build all this stuff out. Everything that I'm getting trials for, all the automations I'm sending and everything is already done for you. So you just import the snapshot, and then check this out. You get all of these automations that I've written already. So I've written all the emails for you. I've put in all the bonuses that they're getting. You literally just have to load this in your account and then drive people to that page. And so again, the idea is you start out doing content. You start doing, you start using a robot to send people to your links that we give you the funnels, and then all of this stuff all automatically sends for you on the back end, and you can kind of just let this run. Now, the other cool thing, by the way, is not only are we giving you all this stuff, but we have a full course too that we did. It's a free course to the people that get into the trial, and you can go through and learn how to do all this stuff. So inside of this checklist here, there should be a free course. Let me go and make sure that it's in here. I'm going to have to add that in there. Oh, here it is. This video here, it's an unlisted YouTube video, but it explains how to do, it's like an hour and 26-minute video. It explains how to do all the stuff we're talking about. The videos, the, automations, how to load in the HighLevel account, everything. And so all of it is right here. All you have to do is just get the 30-day trial in the link below. Now, one of the other things I'm going to add to the checklist as well is we had a 10+ hour course with live trainings I'm going to throw in here too. I'm going to actually tell my business partner after this, Ryan, to add that in here so that you guys can have that as well. But yeah, basically you grab the trial, you wait for the email to send. The email will send. You'll get this checklist. You'll go through the checklist, set everything up because we're giving you all these resources. And basically what I've been doing over the last month or so is I just keep building out all these resources for you so that you know how to create the videos, you know how to do the editing, you know how to automate and outsource everything, and basically just start building up your affiliate revenue so you can start building reoccurring income that you don't actually have to do any fulfillment for. Because think about it, how cool would it be if you woke up, like yesterday I woke up and I was already at $1,000 in earnings, and I didn't have to do anything for it. It's just automatic every single month. And all I have to be responsible for is driving traffic to things with my automated system. So I hope that makes sense. If it does, let me know. Again, leave a yes in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. But I really do urge you to get the 30-day trial with the kickoff call for HighLevel. Get on the call with them. Make sure you schedule that because they're going to help you set up all this stuff, right? You can show them, you can get on the you get the trial, schedule the kickoff call that you'll get in the link in the email, and then ask them, say, hey, I have Chase's HighLevel snapshot. Can you help me import this into my account? And can you help me get set up with the automations and everything? Can you make sure my funnel works? Because they're going to set up all this stuff for you, and then you can start driving leads and traffic to it, and you're going to have this exact system that made me $5,000 last month and is continually making me more and more money every single month, because it didn't just make me $5,000 last month. Remember, this is reoccurring revenue. So every single month, it's going to make me more and more money as I keep driving signups. So this is an opportunity I would not miss out on. Again, everything is free right now. You don't have to pay any money to get set up. The idea is go get the free trial, get all the resources I'm giving you. And if you're not making any money with it, don't keep it. But the idea is you're going to start getting leads and make money with this system. So don't miss out on this because you're not paying anything today. Literally, you have 30 days, you have a free trial, and then you have 30 days to go and make money with this. And if you can't make money, then well, that's fine. Like, again, get rid of it. But I would be surprised if you didn't take all the templates and everything that I'm doing and all the free stuff, all the free training, and you didn't find a way to start earning money with this. So again, firstaitool.com/go, grab the trial. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Till we do, happy money making. We'll see you guys. Bye.